everyone. Welcome and thank you for joining us today at Sapphire. My name is Andrea Bessa. I lead the Customer Reference Program for SAP Preferred Success, and I'll be your host for this session. It's my pleasure to welcome our speakers, Srinu Karaturi, the Customer Success Partner for Ariba Solutions.
Hello.
And John Wagner, who leads SAP Preferred Success for Ariba. In this session, we'll discuss how SAP Preferred Success Expanded Edition can help speed up a successful cloud transformation and better prepare customers for continuous innovation. So to kick off our discussion, Srinu, can you tell us more about a typical customer's procurement journey with SAP?
Yeah, sure. Welcome to the Sapphire to all the listeners, and glad to be here with you and John, Andrea. SAP actually partners with our customers in creating a value realization for their procurement transformation. That actually the customer, by adopting to our cloud platform, they'll be able to realize that value that's actually derived. And SAP partners with our customers throughout the journey so that we have continuous relationship to help them design and deploy the adoption program and to help the customers sustain the program and all the changes going through, as well as having some KPIs and measures all the way through so that the customers actually can go to their boards with their investments and return on investment schedules.
That's great, Srinu. And recently, one of your customers partnered with SAP Preferred Success Expanded Edition. What prompted you to position the Expanded Edition to this customer?
Sure. This customer that I actually work with is in the financial services industry, and it's a great customer and great to partner with. They have excellent technical and functional teams. However, the customer's business situation has been continuously changing, and they're coming back to me with lots of questions and issues that actually require some intervention, right? Some services. And that's where I went to John Wagner, who's our global lead for Preferred Success Expanded Edition, and he actually packaged this for us and said, hey, knowing your customer's journey, and this program actually will help them. John, do you want to actually explain what Preferred Expanded Edition is packaged with?
Yeah, thank you. So with Preferred Success Expanded Edition, we really look at our customers and where they are on their cloud journey, realizing that all of them are at different parts of their journey, different parts of the life cycle, but it's really being able to help them adopt better. So what we've done, we've packaged a number of different services, experts to be able to really help the customer adopt no matter where you are across your cloud journey.
That's great, John. Thank you. And Srinu, what has been your experience delivering the SAP Preferred Success Expanded Edition, and how has the customer been receiving this program so far?
Yeah, the customer is actually very delighted when John and I met with them to start the deployment of this program. All the missing parts from the customer's previous experience with us, whenever they have a new requirement, they have to go through, okay, Srinu, what should I do here? What should I do there? It's taking too long to get your services, all of that. We demystified all of that because Preferred Success Expanded Edition actually provides a dedicated environment and resources so that the customer does not have to worry about how am I going to consume all the innovations and changes that SAP is delivering every quarter. I do have technical issues or systems are broken or configuration changes are required to adapt to deploy new processes that my internal customers are. So all those questions were addressed during the deployment, and the customer is so happy because we cut down anything from 3 to 4 months of time for a medium-sized project to be delivered to them to a couple of weeks with this continuous support. And John, do you want to add anything there?
And that's a really common scenario. It's something that our customers have been asking us for. We want greater partnership from SAP, greater access to expertise, and really that industry knowledge to be able to answer those questions of how are other customers doing it. So with Expand It, we listened, we put it together, and we really combined the best of all of our advisory, our advice and guidance, that industry knowledge, but then really to be there with you as a partner, understanding your specific solution, what you're trying to do, and rolling up our sleeves, and we can help you with deployment, through test, through production, and really be able to help remove any roadblock that you encounter along your journey.
Excellent, John. And maybe a question for the both of you. What would you say to a customer that is looking for this greater partnership with SAP for their procurement cloud journey?
Excellent question. To all the customers that are listening to this, you are transitioning from an on-premise way of working to a cloud journey. And in this cloud journey, you're challenged to consume the innovations that SAP brings to you every quarter at a much faster pace. And you are actually tasked or challenged with a lot of change management. Hence, subscribing to Preferred Success Expanded Edition, we will bring a dedicated team of experts and resources to the table, and you will have all access to the learning curve. You will have access to all the proactive monitoring this team does, and we do solution health checks. And not only that, the quarterly release readiness and deep dive with our solution experts, so that your functional technical teams understands whether that particular feature being released is helpful to them or not. That is a huge benefit for you. And hence, please call your customer success partner for more details on this. John, you want to add something more?
Yeah, if you're looking for that dedicated contact, that SAP access to experts who are familiar with your particular solution, where you are in your journey, where you want to go, and you're really looking for someone who can help not only give advice and just guidance, but really help you deploy new features, help with those configurations, then really Expanded Edition is perfect and exactly what you're looking for.
That's great, Srinu and John. Thank you so much for joining me today and sharing your insights. To our customers listening, please reach out to your customer success partner to learn more details about the SAP Preferred Success Expanded Edition. And to our audience, all the best in your cloud adoption journey.